Hello YouTube, I'm Tobias, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Apple Watch. Now, if you're a baller like me, you're going to go ahead and spend $12,000 and get the gold Apple Watch, or else you might as well not buy anything at all. Not only can the gold Apple Watch perform the regular tasks an iPhone can perform, such as show you your text and tell the time, it also comes with an array of features that are not advertised. Time for me to unveil my Apple Watch to you guys. Wow! When you go to purchase your Apple Watch, a lot of employees at the Apple Store will try to tell you lies, like it's not a good idea to microwave your Apple Watch. But I'm here to prove them wrong. In fact, when you microwave your Apple Watch, it actually charges the battery, much like the iPhone. Whoa, Mountain Dew Baja Blast! And watch how resistant it is to water. Wow, it's still brand new. And just as any scientist will tell you, gold is the strongest metal on Earth, which means the gold Apple Watch is the most durable watch you can buy. I definitely recommend you going out and getting yours today. Alright. Hopefully you guys weren't looking for like a legit Apple Watch review. Alright, subscribe to my channel. Peace.